Hey guys, so today I will be showing you how I make my hair growth hairspray serum. I got these ingredients from online, some of them from like Pinterest and some of them just I googled or yeah, that's pretty much what I did. But apparently oops, rice water is supposed to be really good for your hair, and I made up. So all you do is take some rice, like just regular cooking rice, and soak it in some water for like 24 hours, and then you can use it after that. So it ends up looking like milk, well, a little bit more liquidy than milk. And it smells really bad, so that's the reason why I use these essential oils. So I used the lavender and peppermint one because they're both good for your scalp. This one's the True Lavender, and it's from this brand, Guru Nanda. And then I used the peppermint one, and it's also from the same brand. So besides that, sorry, I'm on my knees. Okay, besides that, I also used some vitamin E oil pills, and I cut them. They're really hard to cut, so the trick is just like pinching one of the ends. It doesn't really fold because it's full of gel, but just like pinch it and then just like cut it from that. Just like at least cut it just a little bit, and it'll be enough to uh, squeeze a vitamin E pill in there. So I did like 16 of these. None of this is actually measured, so don't really worry about measurements. Just kind of eyeball everything. And yeah, even like the essential oil drops, I didn't measure them. I just dropped them there until it smelled pretty well, because you are going to be wearing this on your hair the whole day. You leave it on, so you don't want it to smell like rice water unless you're okay with that smell. It's up to you. All right, so this is it, and then I will be showing you my results. So I pretty much have still like a pixie cut because this was all shaved. This was a lot shorter. I had like really pink hair before, so I cut it off so I can just restart with my hair color again. I will also be putting up a video of what my next hair color, me dyeing my hair color, me dyeing my hair another color. So yes, I will be doing that because I have dyed it several times, and I will be showing you what products I use for that and what color I'm gonna do it. Yeah, and then how you apply it is like this. So like you take like, well, you could like just part it like where you regularly part your hair, and just like spray it there, and then part it again and spray it there, and part it again and spray it there, and after that just like part it up here and spray it in there, and then just like massage your hair and scalp, and then you leave it there. It's a little bit like a weird consistency, so I mean, don't get too worried if your hair looks kind of dryish, because that's what this stuff is supposed to kind of make your hair look like. But I mean, just apply something else that'll make it look a bit more silky. Maybe the vitamin E oil pills would probably help, but I mean, depending on how much you add or how much you don't, because this is oil pretty much inside a capsule. And yep, that's it. Bye.